Hello, the mathematics phenomenon I wish to talk about is symmetry. Symmetry, an object is symmetrical when one half is a mirror image of the other half. It may be divided by one or more lines of symmetry. Now, the age group that I would like to discuss this maths phenomenon is with the 4-year-old kindergarten group. First, I will show them some items that they can find in nature that shows the idea of one side being an image to the other. So for example, I could bring them in some leaves, and this one also shows how one side is a mirror image to the other. Then a really good activity to explain this further for the children is simply get a bit of paper, provide some paint, ask the children to first fold the paper in half, and then get them to put a pattern on a piece of paper, just like this. So that's one half. And then what they're to do is they're to fold over the piece of paper and then squish it down, make sure that the paint's getting everywhere. And then ask the children to unfold the paper. And what should happen is, and hopefully it'll happen on mine, is that a mirror image is created from one side to the other. See? A mirror image. Another really fun activity to get the young children in kindergarten to do is for them to work in pairs. Now, one child lies on butcher paper and the other child is to trace around the body of that child, all the arms and the legs. And what this does is once they're finished, they can stand up and say, well, look, if you would show them down in half, they also too are symmetrical. And then they then can cut out that drawing, and that helps working with pairs, and they'll be able to collaborate and communicate together. And this also then comes into the early learning years framework, outcome 5. Children are effective communicators. Children begin to understand how symbols, patterns and systems work. So these are 2 very good activities to deepen their knowledge about symmetry. Thank you very much.